Is it left or right then? Your hand is left, but for the picture, is it right or left?
Right.
Right. And oh, sorry, atrium or the ventricle? Yeah. So that one, how can we call that one?
Right ventricle.
The
Right ventricle.
very good.
Atrium and the second is right ventricle and then go to aorta to go to your lungs, okay, and then go back from the lungs, left atrium and then go down to the last chamber. Yes, very good. So down to left ventricle. This side is left or right?
Right.
Right. And this side is
Left.
left. The left side is bigger than the right side.
The scissor to keep cutting it down to the bottom, like this. Okay. So then we can look inside firstly. Like this. Everybody have a look. It's gonna look like this inside of the heart. So you.
This is right, this is left, and then it's separated. So the left one is here. This is right. Aorta.